This question involves architectural review violations. The question I received was, Mark, our Architectural Review Board approved plans submitted by an owner for a new fence in the backyard. The approved fence was to be a short, black iron fence that did not extend past the width of the rear patio. Construction started, and the fence is much taller and wider than approved and will extend well beyond the width of the home. All other approved fences are similar to the fence approved for this owner. We have demanded that the owner stop work and remove the larger fence or modify the improvements to be consistent with the approved plans. Can the Homeowners Association enter the property and remove the fence if the owner refuses to comply? Well, the answer is that the owner should have submitted a new application for the larger fence. But now that it is installed, the solutions are not so simple. Even if the community declaration contains sufficient authority for the association to enter the property to correct the violation, there are some things to consider before sending out the demolition team. The association needs to weigh the severity of the violation against the risks and liability involved with entering private property and tearing down a fence. For instance, the landscaping for abandoned or foreclosed homes can quickly deteriorate, and there is very little risk involved with the association hiring a landscape company to go on the property and perform the maintenance. The costs can be recovered from the owner or the next owner in most cases. However, if the home is occupied by a full home resident who is likely to get upset and start an altercation with the demolition crew, the association should seriously consider other alternatives. The association can impose fines of up to $100 a day until the owner complies, which could result in a lien if not paid. The association can also pursue a court order to force the compliance and recover its attorney's fees in that process. The association likely has the law on its side in these cases, but we certainly recommend that your board consult with legal counsel before exercising these self-help remedies and entering the owner's property.